Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone, and let me show you how to set up screen time on your iOS 16. So first you have to open the settings, then find and select screen time, and now you have to turn it on. So just tap over here, and as you can see, screen time, get insights about your screen time, add and set limits for what you want to manage. So here you've got everything, and if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to activate and use it, click on turn on screen time. Then decide if this phone is yours or your kiddo. And now you're in the screen time panel. So you can set downtime, app limits, communication limits, always allowed. You can also manage content and privacy restriction. And for example, if you wish to set some downtime, you can do it on scheduled times, for example between 10 and 7. You can also customize the days if you wish, so let me choose Sunday till 6. Still it's weekend, so we can switch it. Then Monday, let's leave Monday this way, and for example we can switch it off fully for Saturday. So this is our downtime, and you can smoothly use it. Obviously you can choose also every day, and then this one particular period of time would be applied for every day of usage. So let me go back then. Now we can also set some app limits here, smoothly activate it, then provide your screen time passcode, and now you can customize limits for all apps and categories if you wish, or you can edit the list. So let me switch off all apps and categories, and here we can give this limits for games, entertainment, all games, and then all entertainment and utilities. We can leave the rest. Then click on add, and now pick the period of time. So let me give 1 hour limit for all marked apps. So this is it. Let's go back. And also you can set some communication limits. You can also add always allowed if you wish. So obviously phone can be always allowed. We can also add here, for example, news. So those apps that you add here would be allowed always, no matter what the limits or downtime is. And if you wish to manage your content, add privacy restrictions, smoothly mark it, and here you can do it. So for example, you can allow contacts just for some particular apps if you wish, and you can also click on allowed apps to see all allowed apps. You can obviously manage them the same way, smoothly, by using the switchers. And if you would like to change those allow changes, pick for example drive and focus, and let me pick don't allow. So this is it, and this is how you can manage your screen time. Here you can check the activity. I'm gonna go back in time if you have some previous days of usage, and then detect the whole data over here. And whenever you would like to switch the screen time off, and whenever you wish to deactivate checking your screen time, just tap on turn off, confirm it, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.